Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
It's the battle of the dash cams.
On the left, we have the RedTiger 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Pop dash cam.
Get ready for some high-quality footage and hilarious commentary.
Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk video quality. The RedTiger 4K dash cam boasts a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera.
With the wide-angle lens, it captures every detail of your drive journey.
Show footage from RedTiger 4K dash cam. Now, the Pop dash cam also claims to have real 4K plus 108op dual cameras.
It offers a wide-angle view and captures clear footage of the road. Show footage from Pop dash cam. Both cameras seem to deliver on their promises, but here's the deal. The RedTiger 4K dash cam takes the win for its enhanced super night vision. It ensures visibility even in low light situations. So if you're a night owl like me, this one's for you.
Let's talk about connectivity.
The RedTiger 4K dash cam comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. You can connect to the RedTiger app on your Android or iOS device to access and play back your recorded videos.
Plus, you can share your driving experiences in real time with friends and family.
Show app interface, on the other hand, the Pop dash cam also offers Wi-Fi and phone app control. You can easily access and share your footage directly from your smartphone. It's all about convenience, folks.
Show app interface. It's a tough call, but the RedTiger 4K dash cam takes the lead here with its GPS tracking feature.
It provides accurate tracking of your vehicle's location, speed, and route.
That's some next-level technology right there.
Now let's talk about some extra goodies. The RedTiger 4K dash cam comes with loop recording and a built-in G sensor. It automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full and locks and protects any footage associated with sudden movements or impacts. Show loop recording and G sensor demonstration on the other side. The Pop dash cam offers accident lock and 24/7 parking monitoring. It locks vital evidence when it detects a bump or impact, and it provides continuous surveillance of a parked vehicle.
Show accident lock and parking monitoring demonstration. This one's a tough call, folks. Both cameras offer great additional features.
But the RedTiger 4K dash cam wins this round with its 24-hour parking monitoring and time-lapse parking mode. It's like having a trustworthy witness for your car. Alright, let's talk about the price and warranty. The RedTiger 4K dash cam is priced at $229 and comes with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 after-sales service.
They've got you covered. Show price and warranty information, on the other hand. The Pop dash cam is priced at $99 and also comes with a 1-year warranty. They're not messing around either.
Show price and warranty information. Wow, both cameras offer great value for the price. But if you're looking for that extra peace of mind, the RedTiger 4K dash cam takes the cake with its supercapacitor, ensuring uninterrupted operation in extreme weather conditions. The RedTiger 4K dash cam is highly recommended for its superior performance, ease of use, and excellent customer service. Reviewers praise its high-quality video recordings, reliability in all weather conditions, and convenient automatic on-off feature with the hardwire kit installation.
On the other hand, the Pop dash cam is praised for its functionality, picture quality, and automatic on-off feature. Reviewers appreciate its ability to download recordings to their phone and easily pair the device with their phone.
Both cameras have received positive reviews, but the RedTiger 4K dash cam has a slight edge. And that's a wrap. We've compared the RedTiger 4K dash cam and the Pop dash cam. Both cameras have their strengths, but the RedTiger 4K dash cam edges out the competition with its superior night vision, GPS tracking, 24-hour parking, monitoring, and supercapacitor for extreme weather conditions. Remember, folks, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why.
The product links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more smart buying tips.